Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. A very special, and guys, wherever you are, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It shall depend the time where you're watching this vlog for today. And actually, guys, it's morning over here. It's early morning, and let me check the time. Wow, guys, it's around 09:10 a.m. That's my local time here in Africa. So today I thank God for the gifts of life. I wake up in the morning like this to see amazing day, man. So far so good, man. This is where I'm calling home. In case you're new here on today's vlog, this is where I'm born and raised, guys. And over there's my grandma home. That's my brother's house. That's my house. Although we are living two of them here because we are in three brothers. So that's my first bedroom with a curtain. That's my second bedroom for my brother, and also this is our brother's house. So far so good. We thank God because we have a hardworking mom in this humble family here. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and road to 6k subscriber. I really appreciate it. And for the returning subscriber, thank you so much for welcoming by watching my videos to the end. So by watching your videos I can make in life. So right now, that being said, it's all morning over here. I want to take a strong breakfast. So and then I went through my issue that I was going for. So like for now, when I take the breakfast, till the end up to maybe evening time, because when I didn't take earlier breakfast, I forget maybe breakfast plus lunch. So far so good, guys. Today I think I'm going to make these things to be clear. I'm going to clear the land. So yesterday I was going look that land which I was branded. So far so good. It's by taken away. So I'm the guy who take responsibility on that land, and I want to say sorry. Yesterday, my audience made my videos so late, but because of time and issues, so let's take the food right now, and we outside. So after taking my breakfast, I'll take you to my project. Don't forget. I think next week, by God willing, I will resume by fixing the tiles because two boxes of tiles for the floor remaining, and the rest because we done the finishing. When I reach there, maybe I will show you. And it depends when my mom, maybe she have already opened the toilet, guys, for my project. So right here today our menu change. This is the rice and kales or skuma wiki. In other way, skuma wiki or kales we called green collard. So right now I'm taking the mixture of beans, the mixture of rice and kales, and over here I have black cafe. So my mom prepare early breakfast as we move on. So guys, welcome to my breakfast. Wow. So this is rice here. Alright, guys, I shall meet you as I continue eating breakfast, and then I shall meet you maybe outside. Well, guys, so let me let me give you a brief tour to my project, or toward my project. Actually, this is my second project, but this 100% I finish. So I was tiling the modern toilet. So I wanna give you quick tour before that. You can see everything is here, and it's our courtesy of one of your subscriber made it possible. Right now, my mom have the tank over there, and it can serve maybe, let me say, 5 months if it's full, or 6 months. So you can see how things they are. So I want to say thank you so much for my audience who are watching my videos, and keep supporting me in other way. So right now my baby is outside, just over here. So yesterday I was taking to the car wash, so right now it's clean, so it can take me all the way. So today I have the plan going look for the yesterday I was looking the land, so today I want to make some, or to clear everything, to make the payment, and I will be in charge of that land by taking care of the properties. And guys, be trustful, it doesn't cost anything. So by God's grace you shall make it. And for those people believing on me, I want to say thank you so much. So far so good. This is my project I was running through, and the only thing that remaining here, it's styling in front of the wall there inside, and also on this part here I'll put tiles, and here because of the rain, so the rest I will paint. And so far so good, guys. I was talking this for the several time, but I'm showing you what I'm doing in my village, you know, in my village. And this is a huge progress by itself, and I thank God because I step for the next level. So things it's the way they are here. So I want to say, God, thank you so much. For me, every day on my videos, it's to thank God, to thank my subscriber, and things move on. And I believe stay in positive way all the time, and all in well, positive way all the time win. So let me take you inside here. Maybe there's somebody who watched my video for the first time, and maybe he wanna have what I'm doing in my village. So there is a time I was cleaning this with my mom, you can see, and everything, it's super amazing. I think by Saturday this week is the time I came to finish this place that remaining here, and also to put some grout and then say goodbye my mama washroom. So this one here, so technically we fix the tiles, even the floor. So for us which are remaining there, it's my washroom, and then I come back to the toilet. So far so good, guys, 100%. I'll put here tiles only from this corner to other side, and only this part here. So that's where I can put the tiles, because actually inside here, but the rest of the outside of this structure I will paint, and I'll do rough cast. So I want to do that one at once. Only thing that I needed there, maybe to do, maybe after 3 months or 4 months, is to paint maybe this place like this, guys, you know. So but down here I'll paint black because of the real erosion or splash erosion, whichever the case, and technically splash erosion. That is it. Wow. So let's go. That is it. We've already talked much of that, but 90% we said goodbye this one. So the remaining issue was finishing, and then we say goodbye. But 90%, you see how my mom washroom were being fixed the tiles. And guys, it's by one of your courtesy of the subscriber made it possible, and I want to say thank you so much. My God bless you wherever you are. So far so good, guys. By watching my videos, I feel so better, and I'm trying to change my entire family to put on the next generation, on the next level. Wow. So today I don't want to talk too much of my project, because these videos, it's all about the dreamland that I get, and you shall see everything. Went to the we calling land surveyor. We make everything. I declare, and I have the all information or document. Wow. So this is my mom toilet here. And after that, by next week, I will fix this toilet. Some tiles already, it's on process, and that is it. You see, this is my mom toilet, and we have half of the bag of cement over there. Wow, guys, if every room have the ceiling board, every room have the ceiling board, every room. So let me take you back. So I want to take my baby and drive exclusively to the next destination, or to the new land, which are nearly close to Ayamarwa Villa Menjelin. Let's go. You see how God blessed us? Wow. So let's see, guys. That is it here. That is it. These avocado trees here. And let me take the key, wear the jacket, and all stuff. Do you know what I mean? Because I want to take the jacket, the key, and also my phone, guy. But we have the cat here, our beautiful cat. But they fear people. Say hello. It's not like Kenya. Wow. So thank you so much, guy. We shall meet on the way. Maybe when I'm going to the land, and we shall see how we make conversation with the owner. And we do like this handshake. Guys, we do like this handshake, and then everything shall be declared, guys. So guys, I need your prayer, and also I need your support by watching my videos, and you can support in other way as to improve this family that we see here, guys. And that being said earlier, maybe next year I will start another project, by God willing. So far so good. Which may give me hectic is to finish the toilet and then move for the next, which is a big project, guys, a huge progress by itself. So 3-bedroom for my mom dream house, it can be better for her, it can fit for her, because sometimes, guys, when you pay a visitor, if you are my mom, you can stay with my mom inside here, and also my sister, she will have the its own room. So guys, stay tuned. Oh, before I leave, that's my mom, guys. I think so. They're coming from there. No, that's the kids, guys. Oh, guys, so I'm heading to Border Town, and then I'll go to check the issue of their land, guys. So, you know, to get land in a community like my village here, it's easy, but in terms of maybe you do your own stuff, man, it give you hectic. So right now I'm supposed to go to Border Town, and then I'll go to the land. So by tomorrow, maybe, guys, things will be okay. So right now I'm trying to solve the issue out. Wow, you can see. So this is the shortcut that I'm using, actually by passing here. And from the far end I had the excavator. I don't know what they are doing on the road. This is a dumping site here, over here, dumping site. See that excavator, guys. Guys, I'm trying to see what I can pass on this excavator here. see that, guys? Wow. Let's go. Wow, look. At least on my road, you might find 2-3 cars passing. So I'm almost to hit the tarmac road, and I go to Border Town right now. Crazy situation at the back and forward here. Look. Away. Well, so actually this is Banya, and over there that is my Roman Catholic Church. I'm telling you. So on the way, I'm heading to Border Town right now. Look, there's the Roman Catholic Church over there. Wow. Chagala. Look. Wow. Construction material over there. Look, super amazing, super amazing, and let's see. Wow. I'm heading to Border Town, and then after that I'm going to their land, so to make the progress and to see what is going on. But tomorrow morning everything shall be okay. So today we're supposed to clear everything, but I was disappointed with one thing, but it's a small issue, so we have already solved it, and we shall see, guys. Petrol station here, and see, guys. Wow, this is Border Town right now here. So they throw you some rubbish and then they collect over here. Let's go and see. There's Nyamaharaga Secondary School bus. Wow. So this is Border Town. I'm telling you, guys, it is a business town right now because it's located near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Woo. That's my side. Yeah. Police station here. Wow. Well, guys, in case you are new here, this is Border Town at my back, and also where I'm heading to, this way. Wow, we have a cooperative bank here, ATM, and also some stuff. Wow, let's see. Imagine this is a business. Look, that one there. So right now, most of the kids, most of the students close the school. So right now it's ride the motorbike, bicycle, and the car. You know, it's amazing. Oh, big machine, Harrier. Wow. a wage road there. Wow. Trying my best, man. So this border town, oh. Well guys, so I'm on the way. So this is the highway here, going up to Dawe, guys. So I want to check that land, so by tomorrow everything shall be good and well organized. So let's go. You heard the rain, guys. So right now it's gonna be raining right now, so because of time I'm trying to hurry up. Umekazana haya kazana mbusi nyeshe. Yes, I'm telling her walking majestically with a lot of speed. So because of the rain, guys, maybe you can see from other side it's dark. Wow. So guys, for me I feel so good. So maybe I'll be the manager of that land. No problem. Let's go. Oh wow. Como ama umugondo wohana. Kwa nafikiri kutania. Achutu. Ndani na mimi najua kile kitu. Yeah. Wow guys, so there's Uncle Mo. I'm telling him I'm going down here to check the land. So right now, guys, I feel good to be a manager of the land here in African Kenya. Wow. Well guys, so I'm just hurry up because rain is coming right now. Where am Sunny? Wow, that is Mr. Cecil and the driver. Why not Kibe? Bora? Yes, with my husband. So I don't want maybe to interfere with people here. So for my own issues to check the land right now down here. Aho, Torokanino no more. Uwe. Well, I'm almost fall down. So guys, by tomorrow this land have been approved, so it's just over there. So like today they were being come back to the road, guys. You can see the motor. So now maybe struggling here. Let's go. Wow. Not a hey baby. Before. Hey. Wow, so I'm heading this way because yesterday I was make a mistake by passing everywhere, and there is a road or an entrance, so just like this here. So this is the house, and the owner have been complaining maybe they wanna demolish the house, but for me I don't care. So we try to see. But yesterday I was talking about these issues, the toilet and borehole remaining, so the owner will be complaining this house. Guys, advise me. I might defend this house to be remain here and maybe act as a store, and maybe someone will be stay here, maybe taking care of their land. So the owner will complaining, oh, I'm going to demolish the house and everything. So I'm just like I'm disappointed with this house, and according for me it could maybe remaining here. So the only issue that he need here is the iron sheet, and nothing change. East to west, home is the best, you know. So guys, the owner is complaining about this house. So like yesterday I was talking with her. He said, yeah, she wanna say that, oh, I wanna demolish my house, and maybe the only thing structure remaining is the toilet. And I'm trying to convince him. I'm telling him, you just demolish even the borehole, demolish even the toilet. Say no, the borehole and toilet will be remaining. So for me, like tomorrow, I will try to talk with her. This house will be stay here as a meanwhile, and maybe when we demolish, maybe in future or next, depend the year or any time. So this house will be act as a store. You can keep the cement, the mason's instrument, and all stuff. So today I came here to talk about this house, and we shall see tomorrow what's the idea of that lady or that woman. So guys, if it could, you suggest on the comment section, this house could be remaining here. Imagine, drop on the sweet comments, this house could be remaining here. Drop on the sweet comment, guys. Yes. This house, wow. So for me, all in well could be remaining here, and even the door, it's so metallic door. The only thing maybe you can change here is this small window we put for the metallic, and then inside we close for everything. So as when maybe construction starting here, we need to close everything, and there must be we must be maybe having the watchman here or securities and all stuff. So here, so guys, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. So yesterday I done like a whole early updation, but right now it's a serious matter. So by tomorrow you shall see everybody here, witness. On my side, I will have my own witness, and that woman will have the own witness. And we went to the land surveyors and all stuff, man. So these structures, maybe tomorrow we say goodbye. So thank you so much. I give you outside of the compound a tour. So by maybe next time I'll give you inside the house tour. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you, and let's meet for the next video, which is tomorrow. Bye guys.